You can treat your pain at home and get similar results as what you just seen in this video. Simply click the link on the screen to start our home treatment program and begin your journey of healing, or go to ASTRinstitute.com.
My name is Dr. Maria Angel. I'm a chiropractic and oil medicine doctor. For approximately 7 years, I've been dealing with a traction injury of the lumbar plexus on a multi-level annular tearing. For about 5 years, I've been stable until about last November when I was shoveling snow. And I had a acute flare-up exacerbation because I was actually doing this in minus 24 degrees. So the combination of the freezing cold and the flexion moving of the shoveling of the snow, etc., really sent me into a acute flare-up that put me down for a couple months until I discovered a treatment of PEMF combined with myofascial adhesion removal in either a Graston or ASTR procedures. That is how I've been treating myself, and I've been feeling very good until about a week ago when I was dealing with suitcases and trying to get to the airport. I believe that I blew probably an L5 disc again because I have an ST1 radicular pattern, and levels of pain can vary from after a treatment of PMF, and whatever I've been doing for myself can fluctuate from a 2 to a 10 plus. I found Dr. Jacobs, who has been utilizing therapies that I know are very cutting edge, and I'm excited to experience his new protocols in taking us deeper in understanding of how to remove myofascial adhesions.
So let's walk back and forth. We want to see how you walk, just to your current gait now.
Okay.
So, because we're going to compare it after the treatment. This way.
Pressure. Yeah. This way.
So when you put weight on this foot, you get sharp feet.
So when I'm weight varying right now, it's starting
And it goes down to your
lower calf. Yeah. So this is my gait.
And you came here with the walker, yeah?
Today I came with a walker.
Okay. So let's go to the chair.
That doesn't hurt. That more
And
there I was probably at a 4. I have a high pain tolerance, so some might call that an 8 or 10. The 10 would be the worst pain I've ever experienced at childbirth. For males, a kick in the right place.
okay. All right. So yeah, I'm gonna work on the back. And as I mentioned, everything should be pain-free. If you have current pain, that should not aggravate it.
That was easy to rise. Okay. I am guarding a lot less on the right.
Okay.
I just feel one tiny restriction.
But the back pain you had yesterday,
No,
that's good.
I'm able to stand with it.
Let's walk one more time, your normal speed. That's your normal speed.
No, I have a little quicker clip than that.
Yo,
I usually don't.
no. There you go. Let's do it again. There. That's beautiful.
Okay, so let's just go into it, right? Yeah. A little bit of pain, a little bit of restriction, but
Like a one out. That's good. That's really good.
You can treat your pain at home and get similar results as what you just seen in this video. Simply click the link on the screen to start our home treatment program and begin your journey of healing, or go to ASTRinstitute.com.